So my airbag light started coming on, and I have a resistor in here with the hub I bought, but I think my airbag module still, I believe it's the capacitors are leaking, and I don't have an airbag anyway, so I'm just gonna pull the computer out and then pull the bulb out of this. So let's see if well, basically delete the light. Alright, so I've removed the plastic string cover thing and took out all the bolts and then these things on the cluster thing, so I think the next thing is to just pull this back and take it off. Hopefully I don't break my clips or anything. Okay, finally got the cluster out. This thing's pretty dirty. Wasn't too hard. It's mainly concerned on breaking the tabs for that, but those are good. So let's see here. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Should be this bulb right here. Where's it at? This one. I should be able to just take this out. Take out the bulb. Alright, we got the little bulb out of its little socket thing right here. Come on, camera. Now this should just be able to go back in. Hold on. Oh, it's over. Okay. Just twisting. And now we can put the cluster back in. So I went ahead and got the cluster all put back together, and all the clips and everything are back installed. So if you take out just the bulb, this little, there's a blue box under there, somewhere right there. It'll start buzzing if you just remove the little light. So I'm just gonna disconnect those and then zip tie the connectors up there somewhere. I don't have an airbag anyways, and I don't plan to install the stock steering wheel back in, so this is my solution. Trying to get a better angle at the airbag module. There's these two connectors, that one and then that one. I'm gonna disconnect. Probably zip tie these later. There's a big one right here, this side. Hopefully you can see it. Trying to find a little clip for it. I think that's it. No, that's not it. I think this has multiple. Oh, it's two of them. Okay. That one's out. Oh, fuck. And that one's out. Alright, so I removed those three connectors and everything should be fine now. So I just need to put everything back together and then see if it's gone. Okay, so I got all the bottom panels all connected or screwed back together. So this little cover thing, everything's all bolted and connected. So let's see. fix it. I don't hear any buzzing. And there's no light. So I also picked these up for the turn signals. They're switchbacks and they have built-in resistors, so I shouldn't have any hyper blinking. So let's see how they look. So here's how just the parking light looks. Just a white LED. Not as bright as I was hoping, but it still looks good.